For more than 120 years, we've never been satisfied with the best. We craft state-of-the-art appliances designed for long-lasting performance. We make our own parts, forge our own iron, crafting every detail with meticulous German engineering. Because only by perfecting every aspect do we achieve ultimate reliability. Washing your clothes more gently so they last longer. And cleaning your glasses so they keep their brilliance. Using less energy, less water, so you consume less. Instead of using many appliances over the years, you can just use one. Because longevity is the ultimate sustainability. That's quality ahead of its time. Miele, immer besser.